How to add secondary password in Honor of Kings. Are you on Honor of Kings and want to add a secondary password to your account? Then, adding a secondary password helps protect your account from unauthorized access. First things first, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device. From the main homepage or the lobby screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this gear menu, go ahead and click on the secondary password button at the bottom left. Now click the button right next to Enable under Secondary Password. Go ahead and enter a secondary password in the first field. After typing it down, enter the new password once again in the next field. Finally, click Confirm. Once you do that, your secondary password will be set. From now on, you'll be asked for the secondary password in situations like logging in from a new device, accessing certain account or security menu, confirming sensitive actions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.